In the heart of Bengaluru, where tradition meets transformation, two friends from their CA final days turned a shared dream into reality. Founded in 2002 by CA Venu Gopal Gella, an All India rank holder and IIM Bangalore Alumnus, and CA Vinay Thyagaraj, a strategist with deep expertise in finance, law, and digital innovation. Venu and Vinay Chartered Accountants has grown from two partners to a 300-member powerhouse across India. Every corner in their office reflected thought and purpose. From light streaming in through their open windows to the greenery that inspires calm and clarity. Welcome to this episode of Inside a CA Firm with me, your host Sheena Parwani, where we stepped into the world of Venu and Vinay Chartered Accountants and discovered their story that started it all. Hello, sir. Hi, I'm Gina
Hello.
from
Hi.
Zoho.
Hello,
Hello,
Gina.
sir.
Welcome.
Hello, sir.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Gina from
Nice
Zoho.
meeting.
Nice
Welcome
meeting you.
to Venu
I'm
Vinay.
here to learn all about your firm, understand how it functions, learn the culture, and also the founding story. That's the most important part. So I'd love to have a conversation with both of y'all
Nice to
and
hear.
learn about the founding story.
Sure. Come, let's
It's our privilege.
sit and have a chat.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No, please
Yeah,
sit.
please
Yeah.
be seated.
Thank you.
Yes.
So tell me all about how it was in 2002 when y'all started this firm. So take me way back to your journey.
Yeah, that's the interesting part. Now, every time when someone clears the CA, the
Mhm.
two aspirations, they would want to go to industry or set up their practice.
Correct.
And the biggest challenge in practice is like where, with whom.
Yeah.
And me and Vinay met in our tuitions during when we did CA,
Okay.
and he was keen into doing practice, and he said, "Would you join?"
Okay.
I said, "Okay." Someone was willing to graciously
you.
want me to have and join. I'm basically from Andhra. Did
Okay.
my CA in Chennai, and Vinay is from Bangalore.
Okay.
So a place to start, and we started.
That's
Yeah.
nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
How about you? What got you into CA, both of you all? Like individually, I'd like to know that too.
So certain things people always do plan, aspire, saying that okay, I want to become this. But for me, things have shaped up. Like I was never into considering that I will be doing commerce, CA. So just my friend said, okay, we will explore this, and I explored. And parents were more eager that you go outside the town so that you have a better command over vocabulary. You will mingle with people. You will explore. And that's where I landed in Chennai,
That's nice.
and I met Vinay.
Yeah.
Okay. And how about you? What got you into CA?
Okay, basically, I'm from a small town near from Bangalore, about 50 kilometers. We came to Bangalore for a graduation, and science is something which is not part of my cup of tea. So invariably, commerce is the only option which I had, and I was passionate. Exactly, yeah, and passionate about the commerce, business, and the numbers. We had an option to go to MBA or a chartered accountancy.
Correct.
Okay. Somehow I got into a chartered accountancy, and invariably commerce doesn't have any other option for you to get into a good, probably the education means MBA or a CA.
Yeah.
So that's how the CA has become the choice and moved forward. And those days, Bangalore is quite famous for the engineering.
Correct. Like
And exactly, and probably that time Bangalore has the largest number of engineering colleges in India.
yeah.
Okay, when I'm talking about 99 and where we started our CA as a career. Okay, and my brother-in-law did mention that go to Chennai. Chennai has a good exposure to a chartered accountancy. That is the southern part. South CA is the hub for the chartered accountancy and the students. That's how we landed in Chennai. Then our career started as a article training there. Then I met Venu in the tuition, and we become close. And fortunately, we have cleared both the groups, and final within the time limit, which is as CAs as the institute prescribed. Okay.
Second both cleared.
Okay. Well, within the time of articles, actually we cleared, still we left with about 4 or 5 months of articles
Correct.
period for us to complete it. So those 4-5 months after CA clearly we cleared in the May attempt, then our
Articles are getting
completes in October.
Yeah.
The good number of time we had to decide on what is our career path, what should we do.
So why didn't you all want to go into the industry like any person would want?
It's a choice, and even today, I think everyone who clears CA, they have this dilemma:
Right.
industry or the thing. And
Correct.
industry is always easy, but
Yeah.
you get the good thing. And I was a rank holder. I got All India 45th rank.
Okay.
I got placements even before the campus
Yeah.
started. But between both of us, I think that somewhere do on your own was more.
Like run something on
Yeah,
your own.
yeah. That was there, and that pulled us rather than going to employment, and we made a good decision being here.
That's nice. So, so I understand y'all have your main head office in Bangalore. Can you tell us where are the other offices or branches situated? So
Yeah.
that journey of how you're expanded into different branches.
Right. See, we've started together, myself and Vinay in 2002, two
Right.
partners in a small office. But as we expanded gradually, standing today, we are 13 partners.
Correct.
We have offices in South India.
Oh, okay.
And it's a milestone. Every year we are doing some other thing, either expanding to a city, adding a partner. Almost all the partners are homegrown. So
Okay.
there are juniors, they have worked with us, they're employees
Okay.
who became the partners.
So like a great retention span.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
would be
It's all kind of great retention that happened. Bangalore is the head office, but we have office in Hyderabad, Chennai, and Mumbai, the metros. And tier 2 cities we have in Chikmagalur, Kolar, Malur,
okay.
Anantapur. We have
Visakhapatnam.
offices, and we also have satellite office Vizag and Visakhapatnam are branch offices.
That's
So
nice.
predominantly in South India we have offices.
That's nicer. So each and every office, is it as spacious and as good as this? Because as soon as I enter this office, I was like, I want to take a tour of this
Okay.
office. So let's get started on the tour and tell me all the secrets that went behind building this office.
Absolutely, we should know. In fact, I should credit Vinay for getting the office this way, and each place in the office or each seating, each room, everything has a story to tell.
Sure.
And everything has been planned, designed such a way that coming from the future, that what is it would be required at that point in time has been considered and it has been designed. So one credit to Vinay, and definitely we should have an office.
So let's get started on this tour because I'm really excited to see the firm, and I know you'll have 2 floors, so we have a lot to cover.
Absolutely. And
Yeah.
Vinay,
Yeah, I'll show how the office is organized and how the
Please tell me the
team is
process.
sitting and everything. Okay, we'll start with our cabin.
Yeah.
Yeah, please. This is a cabin where me and Venu both sit. So there is a story behind the cabin and we sit together. Okay. Yeah, please. Venu both sit together.
Both of you all sit down in the same cabin.
Yeah. There's a story behind it.
Okay.
So when we started in 2002, okay, and we had a very small office,
Correct.
probably a cabin of this size,
Yeah.
where we started. It was inevitable to accommodate both two in the same cabin.
Okay.
That has become a habit, that has become a culture. And we continue to sit together and we enjoy being together. And most of the time we'll be busy, but at least when we are together, there is a more opportunity to share, more opportunity
like to discuss any requirements and all of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
So
also-
here is where all the thought process happens.
Exactly. And also easy to introduce to the clients also. So it's
Yeah.
always like if you sit in a separate cabin, many a time we miss out to introduce the clients
Correct.
also.
Yeah.
So it's easy to introduce the clients to other partner
yeah.
when we sit together. That's how the idea thought process, and that has grown, has become a culture of the office itself.
That's
Okay.
nice, sir.
So that's how it is. This is where we sit here, and we love to have a always a open large space and a office to be full of vibration and also with the lighting. That's how
Correct.
the office space is designed.
Yeah, it's lit.
And-
It's quite lit. I think everywhere I see also greenery. I think, but
Yeah.
I will talk about it while we are walking.
Sure. And we're just next to the Lal Bagh. Like the
okay.
entire this is a Lal Bagh. Lal Bagh is the heart of the lungs of a Bangalore. I
Yeah.
can say that. We are next to that, and we love the green. We being with the nature, and more so always I I believe that like most of our time, efficient time, energetic time we spend in the office.
Yeah.
Almost 10 hours in a day we spend in the office. So we feel that like it should be a vibrant, it should be a place to stay back and
Yeah,
place
you
to
would want to
continue.
come to the office.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And also once you come, you also to stay back and be
Mhm.
with the office is something which always we believe it. So
That's
that's how the entire office infra is also built, and also have made everybody to work in this environment.
That's
Yeah.
nice, sir.
Yeah.
So,
So this is a one more entry, like this is an open area where
okay.
we wanted to sit and have a cup of coffee with somebody
That's
and a
nice. It's like a
casual,
small little
yeah,
nook in the office.
exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
So we felt it open so that like the air or the ventilation to come.
Correct.
Okay, and if you are really bored, you can just open and look towards the outside, see what is the greenery or something which you
Yeah,
can
the
really
lal
about.
bagh which you were
Exactly.
mentioning. Nice.
So all your monotonous you can break by standing here and refresh yourself, go back and start working again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
This is
also
what
do
so
see that there's a lot of walking space in your office,
yeah.
and it's just not like, sitting down.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
This one more associate is a advocate and also a tax consultant. We have started journey together. We
Okay.
wanted to retain him. Is Mr. Vijay Rajesh is an advocate come a tax practitioner.
Sure.
We are associated since inception, and we are like more than
Hello,
a
sir.
partners.
Nice to meet you.
Rajesh,
Gina.
she's Gina from Zoho. So they're here to interact and discuss about Venu Vinay and also a small office tour. I thought of introducing you
Yeah.
and also
I'll come back and have a quick conversation with you later.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
And this is space, like as I mentioned, he comes in a regular TV regional channels on
Okay.
various topics. So
Then I will surely need your autograph.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So come, and this is a space where the multiple teams are structured such a way that there is a compliance and the company's compliance team.
Okay.
We have a taxation team here, and also we have the administrative team. That the entire thing is the accounts, finance,
Yeah.
collection team, where this is structured such a way that they report to a particular partner or the managers. Their arrangements is also such a way that they report and they easily access the respective managers or
And
the
partners. That's nice.
Yeah, we believe in the efficiency such a way that like if you spend 1 minute of time to do some work, that means you achieve 99% of efficiency.
That's nice.
And if you take 5 minutes, that means your efficiency is only 95%. That's how we believe, and that's how the things are structured, and also the office infra is made, and the works also work in the same manner.
Correct.
So this is a small open space. We just kept it open.
Okay.
Probably
in case you want to expand or something.
Exactly, in the future
That's
expand
nice.
or maybe have chit chat or this. And this is something like wanted to break your monotonous work.
Oh,
pull
you
it
can
back.
work also from here.
Exactly. Take
That's
a
nice.
laptop seat, or you wanted to have a food by facing that is something which is has brought this culture of working.
That's nice, sir.
Yeah.
It's nice that you'll have so much of like light shining in through.
True.
Yeah. And I think in a city like Bangalore, you wouldn't need the AC because when the windows are open, you just have the wind blowing. That's nice. Yeah.
Yeah. And this one more partner is a Bhaskaran, takes care of the special vertical called
Hello,
real
sir.
estate.
I'm Gina
Yeah.
from Zoho. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So they're from Zoho. So they wanted to have one small office tour and also interaction with chartered accountants.
Yeah, it's
And-
nice that your office is so vibrant. Like I'm just seeing this space itself, and I'm like, there's so much light coming through.
To
Yeah.
Vinay, Venu and Vinay.
Yeah.
Like they taken extreme care
Okay.
to the details and ensure that the final product
It matches.
it matches their
Output.
mission and purpose.
Yeah.
And I know how much pain they have gone through to
To-
make this one still that one switch
Okay.
or that the table how it should be.
Yeah.
So I
That's-
interacted with when Vinay used to talk to me on this. So I know how much care they have taken to make this wonderful product, the outcome what you're seeing now.
Nice.
So there is one more space for the manager to sit and interact.
Correct.
And you wanted to have a unofficial chat,
Discussions and all of
discussion,
that.
come and have it. And the spacious reception, it's an open reception. Like
Yeah.
they should also feel that they're
They're
not,
part of the office.
they're not, generally the reception would be away from the office.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
We ensure that they're part inside
They're
and
the
they're not left out as part of the office organization is something which we have built it, and these are the washrooms
Yeah.
and also the open pantry
Pantry
area we
area.
have kept it, and the lightings is also such a way that it completely taken care of their working environment, and also the sufficient light for them to work without straining is
Correct.
something which is taken care.
That's
So,
nice.
and the architect has really done a good job to the specific to the
Correct.
requirement for us to have the enjoyable workspace and happy workspace to build on it.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, we have one more floor. Just let me introduce to one of the
Sure.
probably the oldest long associated employee,
Huh.
Purnima.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
She's Purnima. She take care of our well-being of serving a food in time and
okay.
keeping the office in a very hygienic, cleanly manner.
Very clean.
Yeah, okay. And she's there since 2008
Okay.
when our daughter joined first standard, second standard. She's second standard. She completed MBA now. Okay.
Nice.
There's the
Congratulations.
association with her in the
Yeah.
organization.
That's
Okay.
nice.
Very, very belonging, and she's very possessive about the office also.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Yeah. And you can see, talk to Mr. Manju. Manju.
Hello.
Manju is one of the senior most youngest
Nice to meet
person in the organization,
Huh.
and is very meticulous
Okay.
and very perfect in terms of his work.
you. Okay.
So that's how his culture and his habit also, and he's the youngest man in the office.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice to meet you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
And this is our accounting team, backbone of the organization.
Hello.
Yeah. They use Zoho extensively for your
okay.
information. And Lavanya,
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Mrs. Venu Gopal, and
okay.
Sirisha is my
Hello.
wife.
Hello. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
So they take care of a few functions in the organization too.
Okay. That's
And
nice.
also they support as part of the organization growth.
That's
Okay.
nice. Nice.
Yeah. Come, we have a meeting room and a brainstorming room. Like we'll
Sure.
show it's also
What is
as
these champions and hardy
okay.
new
They're-
joinees?
Yeah. So these are the people, we recognize them on a monthly basis, quarterly basis in terms of their performance, their contribution to the organization.
Okay.
And they show that like we can capable or better than themselves. Like we say that competition is not with others, competition is with you always. Like
Correct.
how better than yesterday than today or tomorrow. So we recognize them. It's a sense of like
A small tribute to them.
tribute to them, and also
Nice.
everybody is wanted their photos to be here. Okay, that's
Okay.
how they also strive, and it's a good way of we recognizing them and showcasing them to everybody.
That's
We also kept it near the reception
so that
like
people can see it.
also to go
That's
like
nice.
that. Yes,
Yeah.
this is a small brainstorming or a conference room,
Okay.
and a lot of openness to this.
Here also there's like completely
Yeah.
open.
Many a time we close the shutters or close the for the
Blinds,
purpose
yeah.
of blinds for the avoid the
Ah.
more light. That's how it
okay.
is though. Okay.
So
And
this is the first time where I'm seeing like an organization where they're saying that we have to close the blinds so that we avoid the light. inside.
more light. Okay. Many
Yeah.
a time it reflects on us or reflect on the monitor.
Correct. Especially
It's
when the
Presentation happens.
Nice.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
So this is something which is very like even though the four sides are not equal, if you look at the table is
Correct.
designed such a way, like generally table is
Supposed to be like a long, elongate.
exactly, or a square or a
Rectangle.
but
Yeah.
this is a different unique.
Correct.
Four sides are uneven,
Okay.
but still we are together, or something to
okay.
message to person.
That's
We are
nice.
not equal, but we are together.
That's
Okay.
nice, sir.
So that's how we wanted to bring it every part of the
Organization.
office that showcase there is a story for it, everything. Okay.
Nice.
That's how it has been built. Okay. Yeah.
Hello, sir. And it was really nice being introduced to you earlier. I've come back to take an autograph from you. So, how long have you known Vinay and Venu, sir?
We know each other during the student days, 1996 onwards.
Okay.
Of course, they are younger to me.
Yeah.
From our CA articleship days, we know each other. And that's how our journey started. I have completed as advocate. So I am associate with them as advocate and their chartered accountant firm.
Yeah.
I'll take care their litigation works, and they take care of my clients' income tax and other return filing.
That's nice, sir. So, what's your area of expertise that you have over here at the firm?
We are complementary to each other. Again, GST, income tax. Because as a chartered accountants, they cannot appear in a tribunal and high courts.
Correct.
I take care of those litigation
Because
part.
you've done law. Yeah.
Yeah, litigation part. Apart from that, I'm personally specialized in formation of NGOs, trusts and
Okay.
societies. I'm advisor to many national and international trusts.
Yeah.
And another one is the documentation, like somebody wants to buy property, sell properties.
Correct.
Because a chartered accountant knows the capital gains taxation.
Yeah. Correct.
He doesn't know the documentation. As an advocate, they know the documentation. They don't
Right,
understand
understand.
the taxation.
So you know the
impact.
best of both.
I know the both. So that makes
That's
special.
quite a difference. That's nice, sir. So you'll cover almost all verticals at the firm. That's nice, sir. Thank you so much for this conversation. It was lovely chatting with you, sir. Thank you.
We'll move out from the conference room, and probably I'll request Venu to take you to the
Sure.
floor.
Yeah.
Just take Gina to
Yeah,
the third floor and
Sure.
introduce our champions of the third
Third
floor.
floor.
Sure,
some of
definitely.
the partners there. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll join back in some time.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for the tours.
Please.